So let's go.
Let's go.
What we did?
I'm not listening to music now.
No, today is Wednesday? Is today Wednesday? Yeah. Is it?
Yeah.
Mommy, I love you.
I love you too. And we're going to the supermarket to get food.
You're right.
I'm just dreading standing in the queue. I don't enjoy it. It usually doesn't take too long, but it's still just such a drag having to queue up to just get some bread. I don't like that. We're going to Sainsbury's. Usually I go to Aldi, but Aldi is not doing this for like anymore. I mean, Aldi's really good for like basics and stuff. Then what are we doing this evening?
Dinner? What?
Right. Okay, luckily there's actually no queue. A year and a half later. Did you miss me?
Who you talking to?
You.
Oh.
Guys, the queue is dumb long. It's literally going all the way down. Back at home. There's Jonathan. This is a new sofa that we got. Where did we get this sofa? The guy that sold it to us sold it with like basically a pet worth of pet hair. We could make a second dog out of it.
For me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because there's a lot of hard work going on. Yeah, I saw. I'm sorry. It looks good. That colour really suits you. You look good in pink. Johnny's taking apart this disgusting sofa that came in the flat. And he's supposedly watching Elite at the same time.
Well, you can when you understand language.
Oh! Shots were fired! It's been a journey transforming this place because it didn't look anything like it does now. He is amazing and he did basically everything. And I owe him all my life. I pray for someone like you. There's still quite a little bit to do in here. I think, in my opinion, I personally like shelves above here. Like, what have you got a brush for? Yeah, I want to hang some stuff up and put water up here and stuff like that. Just to pull the room together. And I know that white is very like simplistic and it's something that a lot of people paint their rooms, especially people that do YouTube. But the only reason they're painting it white is because it's cheap. It's the second time I've asked you how the sofa is and you just said it's alright. It's meant to be fantastic. It's meant to be beautiful. It's meant to be everything you ever dreamed of.
Mommy, I can see you.
I don't know what she looks like.
What?
What's that song that goes, Mamacita, esta noche, lo siento. I love you. Stay safe. Wash your hands when you come back. Take the keys. Ciao. Do you explain why you look like this right now? Basically, I went into the bathroom this morning and there was the biggest wasp. It's not like a big wasp, like ooh scary, it's like this big. And we don't know how he got in because the bathroom window is closed. And we don't know how we're gonna get him out. So this is why he's dressed like this. And I'm just gonna watch. If you peep through the door, he might be there on the bathroom wall. Like next to the bath. Can you see it?
No, where? I'm just scared he's gonna fly at me.
Can you see how massive it is?
Ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart.
We're gonna get on. What's Johnny doing?
He's sitting on my bike.
Is it a bike?
Nah, it's my scooter.
Do it again. Hey, get some air. I just don't feel like going out. I don't want to leave the house. I want to stay home. Like this, but on my actual sofa, not on a park bench. Are you excited to set up our new toy?
It is.
Well, you can't decide what game to get. I think we should get Mario Bros. This is brilliant.
The little ting ting.
The little ting ting.
What's this? The little other ting ting.
This stars really give me Peter André look. Is it Peter André? Yes, because he has the little...
Yeah, he has the band.
Oh no.
I try to concentrate, my mind wants to explore.
This is not what I had in mind at all.
What's your obsession with Peter André?
I don't have an obsession.
What did you say that reminded you of Peter André?
Me.
No, it was something else.
I didn't want to end the vlog in the middle of nowhere. It's been kind of like rude. It's been really like different and kind of, I wouldn't say tough, but a little bit complicated maybe to like film content, especially during lockdown, simply because I'm just not doing a lot, and Johnny and I often spend a lot of time indoors and there isn't anywhere we can go or do things. I'm literally struggling. I'm trying my best. If you guys have any recommendations or stuff that you want us to do when we're indoors, then please leave them in the comment section below or send me a message if you follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below, and we will see you in our next vlog. Bye.
You've been